Hello people, welcome into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from photo with only Instagram application. So the first thing that you have to do now is just go open the Instagram application and make sure that you stay in the home section. And if you're in the home section, you can slide your screen into the right side, but then you can also click this plus button to access the photo library on your phone. And now you just need to choose the picture that contains the emoji that you want to remove, and after you find it, you just need to go click it. And now to remove this emoji, you just need to take a look on this upper side of this screen with the three small dots and just go click the draw options right here. And after that, you just need to make sure that you use the first style of the pen, and before you draw it, you can also adjust the size of the pen here and drag it into the upper side to make it bigger. And now before you scratch the screen, make sure that you choose the color with the color picker and just adjusting the color just with the same with the background. And now you can just start scratching the emoji, and now you're done. If you find that the color is not or it's too obvious, you can just change the color by visit the color picker again and just adjusting the positions that has similar color that you want. And after that, you can just start to scratch the screen again to adjusting the color. So that's the way, guys, how to remove emoji with on a picture with only Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.